Hey, what's going on? This is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, by popular demand, I'm going to teach you and show you how to schedule your business or any type of post on your business page, fan page through Facebook. So you definitely want to pay attention to this entire message video because I want to go through it very slowly. I was just asked about this a couple of days ago, and I want to do another video that describes exactly what I'm doing. So if this is your first time here at this channel or video, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when you get videos just like this. Like, comment, subscribe, as you know, and you know what time it is, and you know who this is. This is Adam Shelton, and today we're going to talk about how to schedule your post, any type of post, through your business page through Facebook at ahead of time. All about automation, marketing, anything like that. I'm all about that, and I want to show you that. So I'm going to talk about the problem and the issues that I've gained throughout the time before I started. Now, the thing about it, the problem could be is that, let's say you work a full-time job or you got your online business right now. You want to automate any type of business content that you can, mainly because that if you can schedule things out in advance, you can focus on other related activity, income producing activities, things like that, or you can do a lot more personal development. So I do personal development throughout the week while things are being scheduled out in my business, and I want to show you that. I'm not saying there's a problem out in the marketplace, but then the automation feature should be used more properly, and I want to know and want exactly teach you exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to say all the words here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through some steps of how you can do that. It's not a problem, but it's one of those things I want to show you right now through this video. As of right now, you see my tagline: I help entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers achieve success by using effective marketing strategies to generate leads and sales. Now, my effective marketing strategies could be social media, video, email, things like that, but primarily it's really video and social media. Those are my two areas that I really show beginning marketers, experienced marketers, or entrepreneurs, online business owners. You don't have to be a marketer. You could be an online business owner, need to utilize social media, need to utilize video. That's what I come in. That's what my channel and video is all about, giving you the value. So let's go ahead and get started with the content. So right here, this is what you want to do. So right now I have 13 scheduled posts out that's going to go out each and every single day for the next 13 days. Now, what you want to do when you schedule things out, you want to click on post right here. Click on post right there. First of all, you want to go ahead and log into your business page. You have to have a login and you create your own business page. So this is basically saying that you already have a fan page or business page and you just need to schedule out your posts. So you want to click on post. When we're here, let's click on post. We click post, go here. Let's go to publishing tool. Let's go there. That could be a little bit quicker way of getting into the content there. So you want to click there and you want to click on schedule post. Click on schedule post. This is how you can really schedule your stuff. So as you see here, these are all the posts I've got going out through the 11th through the 22nd, and I got something on the 28th there. So what I do, I basically just add on to my scheduled posts throughout the day, throughout the week, on content I think people would want to see, schedule it out, and then I can go back and check the numbers to make sure it's something you really want to see. So that's kind of the secret behind what I'm doing in terms of my social media business. So you want to create here, you want to click on create right there. So you want to go ahead and schedule a post, you click on create right there, and it's going to bring up the information, what type of post you want to post. It could be a video, it could be a message, it could be an attachment. So let's make this very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a simple message to schedule it out. So I'm going to say is, hey, today you are going to have an incredible day. So that's my message that I'm going to send out. Simple message. You actually can do a different color. So let's go ahead and do a different color. All these icons here, you can change the coloring here. Facebook love that. They love the algorithm, love the fact that you can be a little creative, put a little color in there and things like that. So it does like that. And right here, I can attach a photo. I can also click here like what I'm feeling like. So let's say I'm feeling happy, right? You can do that in there, so that feeling happy message will be right here. And let's see here. And then right here is this share now. So I can share this now, or I can schedule it. So I want to schedule this in advance because that particular day, let's say tomorrow or today, I want you to have a great day. So let's say I'm going to schedule this in advance. So here's the little calendar. I love this feature because you can schedule information out all on autopilot. So you can go here. Today is the 10th. So let's say I want to schedule this. I'll make an example. Let's see. I want to schedule. Let's say I want to do it on the 23rd. Just every day, I think you should have an incredible day. But let's say that specific day, I want to send an important message to everybody to let them know that they are going to have an incredible day. Even though every day, I believe you can have an incredible day. But I'm going to put there, and let's say what time. I'm going to put it right in the morning when people wake up. I'm on Eastern Standard Time, and so I'm going to do this. So I'm going to schedule that on the 23rd. Okay, and I can also preview the information, but right here I can schedule it. So if I preview it, it's going to show me exactly what it looks like on desktop. Look at it on desktop, and look at that on mobile. Most people use their mobile phones in terms of like identifying information, so you want to make sure the message looks like exactly what you want to do. So I would always preview your information before you send it out. So your desktop and your mobile, everything seems fine there, seems easy to read in my opinion. So you go and click on there, and then right here you'll just schedule it out. You schedule it. It does ask you for again to make sure. So the 23rd, and then we have what, 8 o'clock. Let's see, 8 o'clock, and we want to do the morning. And let's see here, and this is a little information right here. I usually don't use this very often here. I usually pay attention to right here. This is basically if you want to more, the post still will be visible, but the newsfeed distribution will end. So if that's what you want, a little bit more information about it. But I mainly pay attention to this part right there. Then you schedule that, and voila, it's getting uploaded right now. It's getting ready to get scheduled out. It's published, and what I do, just kind of just reload the page, kind of refresh the page of all my scheduled posts. And that way it'll go in chronological order. It'll go in exactly order that I would want, or the order that you would want, to make sure it's going exactly what it is that's going right now. So right now, if I scroll down to the 23rd, there you go. You see this? That's it right there, 8 o'clock a.m., Adam Shelton. And if I click on here, I can see the post, or I can actually edit it, or I also can reschedule it. I can actually publish it now. Let's say if I want to publish this post right now, I could publish it right now. I can remove the schedule. Let's say I just didn't want to schedule it at all. I can reschedule it for a different day, different time, or I can backdate it. I actually can do it in the back. I can actually schedule this, yesterday. Let's say you can actually schedule this yesterday, which is interesting. I don't use that feature as often. I'm all about going forward, not necessarily going backwards. But if it's some information you basically want it to be read and be notified yesterday, then that will be the feature you want to use. But I mainly use schedule and publish. That's what I mainly use. Sometimes I may delete the post, but more than likely I'm just basically editing it and rescheduling it out. So that's really it. Scheduling your posts. You'll just keep scheduling each day. You can schedule 2 or 3 a day if you need to. I try to schedule like once a day, maybe twice a day. Really depends. Here's all the schedule I do have going out. So that's all about Facebook scheduling posts from your business page. Remember, you need to have a business page account. Obviously, you need to have a profile. You need to have a Facebook profile. Then you want to go in and add a business page account. It's free. It's easy to sign up, easy to do, and then go ahead and start scheduling your content out for people can go ahead and see what you're all about. And then that's all about. It's about giving value to the marketplace, communicating with your subscribers, with your followers, and giving them the goods, exactly what they need to know, and they'll follow you. They'll continue following you and loving your content. So So that's all I got for you. This is Adam Shelton signing out. But if you also are struggling and overwhelmed and confused about starting your own online business, go ahead and click on the link below this video right now. It's my #1 recommendation to start your own online business and make money from home. And we do projects like this. When you start your own business, you want to deliver content, and things like this can be very helpful. But this digital marketing organization company will teach you how to do marketing online, and will also teach you how to build your own online business. It's taught me, and I know it can help you because I was stuck and overwhelmed before all this happened. Click on the link below. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Click on that link. It'll be highlighted blue. Highlighted blue. My #1 recommendation to make money online. There's a link right below that message. Click on there. You'll add your email address. Then you'll watch a short video on that next page. Short video, then you'll sign up for $1. That's $1, 100 pennies, right? Yeah, 100 pennies. So go ahead and sign up. You'll get your training, 15 modules set up. If you're an existing business owner or beginning business owner, you will love this because the training get right into your mindset, your marketing, all your communication, things that you don't even know about. I'm telling you, you're going to learn this and love this. Click on the link below right now to get started. And I can't wait to see you on the other side. And I'll see you in the next video. Adam Shelton signing out. Have a great day.